Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. Guys, our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will show you how to remove and replace serpentine belt, and pulleys if you need to replace them on Mercedes W163 ML320 430, probably 350 as well. So we're doing quite a few repairs, you can see transmissions, radiators, everything is here in the shop in pieces. But we have a good angle now, guys, to show you the belt diagram, how you can remove it, how you need to replace it. It won't be as simple when the car is not apart, but we have the opportunity to shoot the video now because otherwise we cannot get the camera in there and it's almost impossible to show you. So that's the tensioner pulley, guys. Some of those differ, some they have a different spot where you can get the pressure of the pulley. This one you have to go on the bolt right here with a reverse torques, E10, like that on top of the bolt there, and you're gonna go like that, you can see, and it releases the pressure of the belt. Now you can go ahead and pull the belt like that, and you can just remove it that way. We're gonna go pull it like that, you can see, and after that we will show you how to install it. Again, it won't be as easy as it is now on the car, but it's doable and it will probably take you about 10-15 minutes. That's the belt, pretty long belt, you can see. We have some numbers, but they're very vague, so I don't think we'll be able to show you. It's original Mercedes belt. So when you're ready to install it, guys, let us show you now how to install it, how it goes there. You can see from the crankshaft it goes to the AC compressor, then to the power steering pump, the tensioner pulley there. Next it's gonna go to the alternator, from the water pump to the alternator, and we have this one here as well on top. So if you need to replace a pulley, super simple, guys. Now that's the time to do it. You go clockwise this time, counterclockwise, excuse us. And it's going to release the pressure. Get it on the on the alternator, and now on top there as well. Just like that. You need to make sure it goes in all the grooves, everything is lining up good before you let go. Start the car when you're done with it and make sure it's where it's supposed to be, because if it's not aligning really good, it's gonna come off and you will overheat the engine, guys. So that will be the whole video. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.